When you first land on the Western and Southern Life website, the design is clean but quite traditional compared to some of its competitors. The homepage immediately directs you toward life insurance products, retirement planning options, and financial tools. What stands out is the emphasis on long-standing reputation, as this company has been around for more than a century, and they make sure you know about their financial strength ratings. However, while stability is an advantage, the layout of the site feels slightly outdated and not as intuitive as modern insurance platforms. Navigating to the life insurance section, you'll find a breakdown of term life, whole life, and universal life products. The information provided is fairly detailed, but it often uses industry-heavy language that might confuse someone who isn't already familiar with insurance jargon. For someone new to insurance, the explanations could feel overwhelming, and there's not much effort made to simplify the process. On the other hand, if you are experienced with insurance products, you'll probably appreciate the transparency and coverage details and options. The application process online is somewhat limited. While you can request a quote and submit basic details, in most cases, you'll still be prompted to connect with a local representative. This can be helpful if you prefer personal guidance, but if you're looking for a fully digital, quick application process, you may find this frustrating. Other insurers in the market offer a faster, more seamless experience without requiring that extra human step unless you choose it. Customer service is one of the more positive aspects of Western and Southern Life. Users report that agents are knowledgeable and willing to take time to explain policies in depth. Still, experiences vary depending on which local office or representative you work with. It's worth mentioning that while the company promotes strong financial stability, some customers feel the website and digital tools don't reflect the same strength. Features like online policy management and account access work but are not as advanced as what you'd find from competitors with more modern tech integration. Many useful links you can find in the description. When it comes to pricing, Western and Southern Life tends to be competitive, especially for whole life and permanent policies. They also offer dividend-paying policies, which can be attractive for long-term value. However, the downside is that quotes are not fully transparent on the site, and you'll need to go through an agent for accurate numbers. For term life insurance, some online-first competitors may provide a faster, cheaper solution. Another point to highlight is the company's focus on financial planning beyond just insurance. They provide retirement and investment tools, which can make them a one-stop shop for people looking to combine life insurance with broader financial goals. But again, the execution feels more old school, leaning heavily on in-person consultations rather than sleek digital calculators or easy-to-understand online dashboards. Overall, Western and Southern Life is a solid option if you value stability, traditional service, and a company that has been around for generations. It's less appealing if you prioritize a modern, fully online experience with streamlined applications and account management. My honest impression is that while the company delivers on reliability and strong financial backing, it still has a long way to go in terms of digital usability and customer convenience. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so you don't miss future reviews.